Want to know how I got this bomb perm rod set? Keep on watching. Okay, so I did wet my hair. I'm going to be trying out their Design Essentials Platinum Moisture Deep Moisturizing Shampoo with Coconut Oil. Their shampoo is designed to deeply moisturize dry or coarse hair, and it also is supposed to soften and detangle your hair. I am loving the moisture, y'all. Oh my gosh. This even shampoo? Wow. I honestly don't even think I had to put that much shampoo in my head. As you see, my hands can glide through here. Some shampoos are very stripping, but this feels like it's not even going to strip anything from my hair. I actually put a lot of shampoo on this side, so I am just going to take all of this and I'm going to go ahead and put some over here. I'm not going to start washing that yet, but it's kind of like I have a lot of shampoo, y'all. So I'm going to just start working on massaging my scalp so I can get it all clean. Woo! My hair was so dirty, I really needed to wash it. So I washed all of the shampoo on my hair. And this is how my hair is looking with no shampoo in it, no products in it. And my hair actually feels so soft. This goes by steps, so it actually makes it easier for you to know what to do next. So the shampoo was a step 1. So for step 2, I'll be using their Ultra Moisturizing Mask. I love this mask because it's very thick, so thick that it definitely was hard to fall off my fingers. So this mask, as you see, was very thick, y'all. It is so thick, I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna do the work. So this hair mask, I am just going to be also working in sections. It has a really nice smell to this mask. And so I'm just going to be applying the mask on my hair. Actually, it's easy for me to detangle my hair with this mask as well with my fingers. Before I do any detangling, I like to use my fingers. So this mask is actually easy for me to go ahead and detangle it while I'm applying it on there. So a little does go a long way because it is very thick. Water came in my eye. This mask is bringing on some great shine, y'all. So I'm just brushing it in, and I let my hair deep condition for about 15 minutes, and I let it rinse out with cold water, and this is how it looks. Now I'll be adding in the Design Essentials Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Their leave-in is very lightweight and also infused with coconut oil that actually helps in detangle and moisturize your hair. I'm actually amazed at how the leave-in penetrates every strand, making my hair look very shiny, as you can see. After I apply my leave-in, I added their botanical oil to help with locking in moisture. You can also use their oil on your body as well. I honestly feel like I can stop here because my curls are so popping and also hydrated. So now I'll be styling my hair using their concentrated styling lotion. It's infused with marshmallow extract, which helps in drying your hair more quicker. So I am definitely loving how this feels, y'all. It's a different consistency. I am going to be rolling my hair, wrapping it around this rod, and I'm just going to be smoothing it as I normally do my perm rod sets. And I'm going to just roll it up, and then I'm just going to secure it when it get to my root. So now I'm done with the back portion. I'm going to be working on the front section of my hair. So I'm just going to be splitting this. I don't really know how many rods I use. I don't really count it. But I use a good enough because I don't really work in big sections. The more smaller sections you work in, the more better your results will turn out, I feel. So anyways, I am just going to be wrapping this around. And I'm just going to be repeating the same steps over and over again. When I get to the end of my hair, I actually try to make sure that it is smooth because how I apply my hair on the rod is how my hair will actually turn out to be. So I just like to smooth my hair and then I just like to pin it up. So now I'm just going to be speeding this up a little for you guys because I am doing the same motion. But I am loving this, y'all. I actually feel like you have a good old wash and go with this as well. So this is my hair after I apply all the rods on there. I actually slept in these, and guess how many days I slept in these? For 2 days, y'all. Yes, I slept in these for 2 days, and it was horrible, but it was worth it. I am just going to be unraveling these. I'm going to be unraveling these very carefully, and I'm just unwinding it down. As y'all can tell, I am very happy with how my hair is looking so far. So let's keep on watching and see how it turns out. separated my hair, I noticed how soft my hair really feels, y'all, and it was so easy to actually separate. So anyways, I am going to be fluffing my hair to the max because y'all know how I like volume, okay? My curls reveal, all fluffed out, all separated, all shiny, all bouncy, all above. So I am definitely loving the Design Essentials Platinum line, y'all. So make sure you follow Design Essentials on Instagram and also sub to their channel as well. And also check out my description box because I will be doing a giveaway. So also check out my Instagram as well at Janae. Just check all the details at the bottom. And I love y'all. God bless.